Vertical Doors Inc., the #1 Lambo door manufacturer in the world.
Welcome back out to the Vertical Door Incorporated Hinges factory, where we're watching the final process as to how these bolts are made. These are very particular bolts. The threading is extremely special on them, which is why they have to be made in-house right here in the USA in order to get that exact same threading. So that way, when these bolts are put into your Corvette C8 and your vertical door hinge kit is installed, there is no rethreading, there's no damage to the vehicle. This is the exact thread line that you need. It's very special, you can't just buy it. It has to be made in-house right here at VDI. All right, this right here, very impressive part of the process. What you are witnessing right now, each one of these is an individual jig for a different car, different model. Each one, a lot of time and energy put in by VDI to get the right jig, the right template for each one of these vehicles. For Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, Toyotas, you name it, there is a jig for each model, over hundreds of models. It is incredible the amount that they're able to do, and all manufactured right here in the USA. And this is not all of them, folks. This is just a very small sliver of what VDI has been able to do as far as templates and the amount of cars that they work on. You're used to seeing me work on Corvette C8s. Believe me, they can work on just about anything, folks. All right, so once this machine is done cutting the metal exactly the way we need it, we'll go ahead and take it on over to our next step. And that's this wonderful machine right here. So what this is doing is, it's turning this to our final product here that will be installed on the shocks for the hinge to make it work properly. This is just one of several steps required in order to make the vertical door hinge kit work properly and fit onto your vehicle properly. So many measurements, steps, cuts, all have to be made right here in factory, in-house. It's the only way and the best way to do it. All right, the man that makes the magic happen, Manuel. He's been in this industry more than 20 years, more than 2 decades, folks. Not only does Manuel here install the vertical door hinges here in-house at VDI, he's also one of the manufacturers. He looks over the specs on everyone, does the welding here. There is no one in this industry that I would refer to more for knowledge than Manuel here. Thank you so much for what you do, Manuel. All right, welcome back out to the VDI factory, everyone. Right here is a set of vertical door hinges installed on a beautiful 2024 Corvette C8. This is Lou's Corvette C8. He's the owner, one of the owners of Vertical Doors Incorporated. So not only do they manufacture the hinges, but they use their product every day. They stand behind their product. My father has the vertical doors installed on his Jaguar. Over 360 Corvette C8s I've worked on installing these hinges. Dozens of other vehicles I've worked on installing these hinges. Every single one a happy customer. It's the best product made right here in the USA. And again, I use it every day. The folks here at VDI use it every day. It is a wonderful product, the best product, and the best guarantee. Welcome out to Vertical Doors Incorporated, everyone, where the magic happens.